We are so pleased to announce our new product, and we are anxious to show you all its new features today. So keep watching.
So, you want to compare Shopify with an alternative option? Well, in this video we are going to do just that. Honestly, many of us have already heard of Shopify. We know how effective and efficient it is to use when it comes to building an e-commerce platform. To be honest, it can be costly and time-consuming. Knowing that there are monthly fees and added cost for add-on apps, many of us beginners just don't have the technical skill set, or mindset for that matter, to get started. So, where do you go as a beginner to get started? You want an e-commerce store that's easy, not technically difficult and not that expensive, especially when you are uncertain what will work or what product to start with. Imagine a platform that can help and provide everything you will need to build your first e-commerce store. But there is another way. An affordable and cost-effective way to build an e-com store and make sales for less than using Shopify. That method is called ShopMonopoly. Perfect for dropshipping, and ideal for those who want to sell affiliate products in a one sales page step without the need of building a sales page or sales funnel. This brings a whole new way of doing commerce. Just watch this video to learn more.
ShopMonopoly is the world's first micro e-com store creator of its kind. There's nothing else like it. So what's a micro e-com store? It's basically a direct response store for e-commerce products such as these. Instead of typical online retail stores where you offer a variety of products, you're featuring and selling in most cases a single product, like any of those I just zipped through. The benefits of ShopMonopoly, both the core software and the free traffic selling formula behind it, are manifold. First off, the software forces you to make stores with maxed out income potential, all with zero need for expensive add-ons, sifting through templates and guessing which one is going to convert, etc., etc. Rather than give you a blank slate like Shopify, for example, ShopMonopoly does the exact opposite. We've got a cookie cutter, so to speak, layout that flat out works and gets your visitors to click your add to cart button fast. You just fill out a form and let the ShopMonopoly store builder do its thing. And you can watch your site being built as you go. That said, there are still dozens of ways to customize your stores with different fonts and colors and images and YouTube videos and more. We also hook you up with free access to thousands of images that you can use to spice up your store. You can sell just about any physical product you want, or digital products if you choose. Now, can you dropship with ShopMonopoly? Of course, and here's how. Your customer pays you through your shop, meaning you're paid up front. You go to your supplier website for the product they've bought, and then you simply enter your customer's address as the shipping address and place the order. Keep the profit, and you're done. Now, how easy is that? And how do you accept payment? It's easy. You can choose from various processors. We support PayPal, ClickBank, and JVZoo, so there's definitely an option for just about anybody in the world, no matter where you live. And listen to this. When choosing to process with ClickBank or JVZoo, you can use their free affiliate platforms to get affiliates to promote your shops and only pay commissions after they've sent you sales. You want a funnel? You can easily set up a series of store pages to create a full-blown funnel from low-ticket product to high-priced offer. You can create unlimited sites in as little as 20 minutes each. If you've ever tried Shopify, you'll appreciate how lightning fast and easy ShopMonopoly is by comparison. There really is no comparison. We also host your sites for free on our dedicated servers, another huge value. And maybe the coolest benefit of all, ShopMonopoly has a built-in marketplace where we automatically list your offers for sale in our marketplace. So visitors from around the world visit our marketplace where they can buy directly from you with zero fees taken by us. Unlimited free traffic, zero fees, and 100% profits? Are you kidding me? This is simply an incredible e-com selling system, e-com software platform, and free traffic marketplace. An all-in-one online business opportunity like no other. I'll automatically stock your account with over $1,200 worth of proven hot-selling e-com products that you can sell and keep 100% profit on. This includes product images, ad copy, suggested retail price, product sources, and more for over 50 products. So we even take the guesswork out of choosing a product. Listen, I've thought of everything for you, from free traffic to free product listings to free hosting to getting free affiliates to free image and video content and so much more. This is an all-inclusive opportunity. You won't need anything else and won't ever have to pay to get traffic. Click the button below to get ShopMonopoly at our special launch price.
Thanks for stopping by. I hope now you can see how our product will truly make your life easier.